Welcome! In this video, I'll show you how to set the swipe gesture to archive chats on Telegram, using the latest updated settings. If you're someone who likes to keep your chat list clean and organized, this feature is incredibly useful. Instead of deleting conversations or leaving them cluttered on your screen, you can simply swipe and archive them in seconds. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're on the main screen where all your chats are visible. Next, look at the top left corner of the screen and tap on the menu icon. This will open up the main navigation panel. From there, tap on Settings. This is where you'll find all the customization options for your Telegram experience. Once you're inside Settings, tap on Chat Settings. This section controls how your chats look and behave. Now scroll down until you find the option called Chat List Swipe Gesture. This is the setting that lets you decide what happens when you swipe a chat left or right. Tap on Chat List Swipe Gesture, and you'll see a few options. To enable archiving with a swipe, simply select Archive. That's it. From now on, whenever you swipe a chat in your list, it will instantly be moved to your archive instead of performing any other action. This small adjustment can save you time and make your chat list much more organized, especially if you receive a lot of messages daily. If you ever want to change it back, just follow the same steps and choose a different swipe action. Give it a try and see how much smoother your Telegram experience becomes.